one can balance with all kinds of devices, but also the term flexibility mechanism is running. What does it represent?
Well, every device that is in a household that can be used for balancing, like drying machines, washing machines, power walls, but also electric vehicles. In 2030, 1.9 million electric vehicles should be on the road, and they all charge in the urban environment. So these are the devices that are being used for this balancing act.
It's the current challenge for the Dutch policymakers to balance with all these different topics and to make the strategy for the next decade from it.
Well, the challenge is it's not rocket science. I mean, balancing and interacting between devices, that is possible and already currently happening. If you see to the smart charging pilot projects that are currently going on, this is a cooperation between charge point operators and car manufacturers, electric vehicle car manufacturers. And the smart charging is already, and the balancing is already happening and taking place. And parties also acting in these pilots are the commodity traders. So the connection to trading markets, wholesale and retail, is already in place around the topic of smart charging. And if the next steps will be that suppliers of solar panels and suppliers of heat pumps are also connected in this system, then there will be a logical and easy step forward and a step to scale up flexibility.
So in this roadmap towards flexibility and renewable energy, is the Netherlands an interesting country to live in and to work in?
Well, it definitely is an interesting country to live in and work in. But what is good about the Netherlands is that it's a relatively small country with relatively few parties who have to cooperate to make this possible. And the conditions in Holland are very good. We have ambitious parties. We have an ambitious climate agreement getting into operation at the end of this year. So I have very much faith that targets will be met.